Welcome to our practical work. Today I am going to show how to mount the Jacquard speed probe sensor at turbine. It is very essential part at the turbine and every turbine because this signal is taken for protection purpose of the turbine. Its sensor based on the Jacquard probe based on the Hall effect principle. Hall effect principle definition is that whenever a conductor and semiconductor material is placed into perpendicular magnetic field, a voltage generated at the right angle. This voltage is called Hall voltage. Now you are seeing in video the teeth of the turbine. This is the physical structure of the teeth. You are seeing that one by one teeth is coming and near to the sensor at the time voltage generated continuously. This voltage, pulsating voltage, directly proportional to speed. Now you are seeing that how to mount the Jacquard speed probe, and it is during installing time very carefully, conscious, and one by one thread tightness, and also we have to measure the distance between teeth of the turbine and tip of the sensor through feeler gauge. Now we have a one slide. Whenever teeth coming and near to the sensor, this kind of pulsate voltage generated. Now also we have a video that whenever tightness done, we have very conscious regarding the cable not twist. Regarding this matter, we have to very careful. Also we have a slide. Whenever teeth near to the sensor, Hall voltage generated. How Hall voltage generated, we are seeing that. Now parallelly we are going to practical work. Now sensor rotate, and for tightness purpose gradually rotate and very carefully. It is very important part of the turbine because this kind of signal are taken for protection and tripping of the turbine. It is also taken high speed protection. Now you also how the Jacquard speed probe sensor physical structure you also see, and parallel tightness going on in our video. It is very important. You can understand that this kind of sensor physical structure you can easily understand. This is the speed probe sensor. Now you are seeing that the sensor rotation action rotate and gradually near to the teeth, and we are watching that, and tightness is going on. We have to maintain 1.5 mm the gap between the sensor and teeth of the turbine. Here we have a required. Due to this, we are going to tight our sensor probe. Also, Jacquard sensor probe, we have a 4 terminal, red, yellow, black, and wire. Another is seal wire. Red is the supply voltage required for sensor. Yellow is the output signal wire. Mounting process is going on. This is the feeler gauge. Through this feeler gauge we maintain the gap between the sensor tip and turbine teeth. It is very essential because 1.5 mm we have to maintain the gap. According to this way, we feeler the plate, choose and measure the gap between the distance. Now you are seeing that the teeth and sensor probe teeth gap is very small. You cannot understand with our eyes, so we need to measure through feeler gauge. It is distance is right or not. because 1.5 mm we have to maintain the distance here. This is the required distance. Tightness process continuously going on. You are seeing that it is very essential part, and very carefully we have to do this process and work. You are seeing, and parallelly we are continuous measuring the gap through feeler gauge, because it is very precious and sophisticated work. Now one sensor already has been mounted. You are seeing that physical structure, sensor and teeth distance, and also you are seeing the teeth, how the turbine teeth. Now we have completed 3 speed probe sensor mounted done, and parallelly also measure the distance, the gap distance between teeth and turbine teeth and our sensor teeth through the feeler gauge. If gap not properly adjusted, we again tightness done, and finally we have tightened the gap. This is our speed monitoring unit. Manufacturer is Borun GmbH model. Sensor output goes to this unit. This unit showing the according to setting speed, and parallelly this unit give the output 4 to 20 milliamps that goes to our DCS system. It is very essential. I mean, this unit accept the pulsating voltage from sensor signals, and according to manipulate and setting and over speed setting 4 to 20 milliamps generated. In this unit we can set LEO signal according to our desired tripping point speed. It is the basic knowledge you have to know. Later I will give the details of this module for next upcoming video. So stay tuned in our video, and if you not subscribe my video, please subscribe. This is very essential part. Whenever Jacquard probe used, this kind of system unit is used, and after the output of this kind of system unit goes to the DCS system. Now when DCS system 4 to 20 milliamps accept and we are get the signal in HMI PC, this kind of health status. You are seeing that DCS system how signal is showing. It is very essential. So friend, thank you for watching my video. If you not subscribe my video, please subscribe for next upcoming video. This is very essential part. This is basic knowledge and overview. Thank you friend. Thank you.